now and one later for the offering. Both of these songs talk about one thing: trusting in the Lord. It is so important for us as believers to trust in the Lord. No matter what we go through in our lives, in our circumstances, and we may be walking through valleys, remember that God is there for you. Jesus is enough in our lives. If we hold his hand and walk throughout our lives, that is enough. And that's the main theme of these two songs, and the translation is going to be up in the PowerPoint for you guys to just glance in the meaning of the songs.